Okay, today it's kind of dreary out, so I decided we're going to do a rebuild of this Dell computer. Let's open it up, and inside we have a power supply, a CPU fan, the motherboard, and one. Well, actually, there's two, but here's one of them. It's a whoosh. Ooh, that's like wood dust. It's probably because I used it outside. Whoosh. Didn't know it collect so much. Anyway, here's a wireless card. So first what we're going to do is take out all the cards, which includes these. Like that. Then gonna unscrew some of the screws. You can notice that there's one here, one here, one right down there which you can't see, one right here, and another one over there. So first we're gonna take off this, which is the heat sink for the CPU. So I'm just going to take out these screws. And another one over here. Then we're going to pull it. Then we're going to pull this up off like that. And then here you see the CPU. Just going to take and lift up. It's a Pentuim 4 HE, and I'm just going to lay that on top of something that does not conduct electricity, like this piece of paper here. It's going to want to constantly ground yourself by touching the case like this. Then we're just going to flip that closed, put that down like so. Then we're going to take this off. Like there. And then we're going to continue taking the screws out on the motherboard. Fortunate is that the screwdriver is magnetic. Is that all of them? I wonder. Okay, now what we're going to do is take out the CD drive, which what you do is see this, if you can, see this little blue thing right here. You pull it up like that. Then, take cables. Oh shoot. Actually, first you take the cables out. There it comes. Pull that out like that. Pull the cables out like So, and I'm just gonna lay that over there. The same thing to get this out. The teak disk drive, which I don't even know if it works, and I didn't even see down there's a little hard drive. Now the original one that was in there is a Max Toro. That's a Seagate actually. Now we're just gonna disconnect all the wires, which shouldn't be that hard. Just pull them up now, like that. And then you take the memory out. And the other one. Then I'm going to we're going to disconnect this wire and pull it out if possible. Oh boy. Now you notice this is only a 4-pin connector. That'll be because the CPU in here is not one of those awesome high-powered overclocking things. It's just a standard CPU. Then, to get, you notice how the CPU does not have that, the PSU doesn't have the same feature. What we're going to do, you know the PSU doesn't have that same feature, so what we're going to do, we're going to take it out like this. Okay, then you pull, you firmly press, oh boy, I did this before. You firmly press like that and pull it up. Up you come. Actually, yeah, it does need to go back, so. Huh. Very strange. Well, oops, sorry. I hit you with a screwdriver. Ugh. There it comes. And you just lift that out after you disconnect the wire from the hard drive, obviously. Lift that out. There you have it. There's the power supply. Now, you notice we have to get that tiny hard drive out. Just pull. Going to pull up. We're going to pull back. Wait, does it go back? Yeah. Okay, so you pull back, and it should. Oops. It should. Focus, please. Oh. Oh, I forgot. So what you have to do is the hard drive is more delicate than the other components. So there's a little thing, unfortunately, on each side that you have to pull back, which is sort of tough there. Then it will come out, and you lift it up just like the other components and out. Okay. Disconnect the SATA cable, the cable that runs to the front of the computer, and then you take out any last screws from the motherboard. Now, problem is that the motherboard is kind of hard to get out because it's kind of stuck between the front of the computer and the back. So we're going to take this out. Oops, no, we're not going to destroy the processor slot. We're going to take this out, just like so. Then we're going to disconnect these over here. I'm gonna be careful not to touch the pins. As you can see, that was about as much as you should put, of much as the pressure that you should put on this. So then we're just going to try to get it to come out, which may be super hard. A good tip to remember is that these will not break as easy as the old ones used to, which is good, since I'm not being extremely careful. Because it's kind of hard to be. It's kind of a tight fit. That's why I don't like these low profile machines. Come on. Out it comes. There you go. There's the motherboard. And there's your empty case. It's kind of dirty in there, but there you go. Teardown video done.